Hey guys, this is Ronald from What You Talk About, Willis Product Reviews and Affiliate Training. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be bringing to you guys some really good affiliate marketing training from some of the top affiliates that I recommend. And I'm pretty sure it's going to benefit you too. And also I'll be dropping some nuggets and some of the things that have helped me out and helped me build my lists and things like that to help me make money online. So I just wanted to present myself, and again, welcome to my channel. To better assist you guys, tell me please, what areas are you struggling with? And click the link below and let me know, and I'll make sure that I provide you with good content, good videos that will help you through this affiliate journey. Okay guys, that's enough talking. Let's hop straight into this video.
Here from EzraSlayton.com. Today I wanted to talk to you about how I was able to generate my second sale on Clickbank, and this one's pretty nice because it's a bit higher end. So I'm going to log into my Clickbank account and then kind of run you through how it all kind of happened. And this is basically direct linking, so you don't need to have your own website to do this. You can do this without a website. So here is the sale. Happened on the 3rd, 182 bucks. That's pretty nice overall. I think with see, current sale was 423. So there might be another sale coming in because I know the internet jet set, unless they change the price, it's like 500 or 1,000. Um, so yeah, we might get another 182 next month from that same person. So anyway, how did we do this? Let's go into reporting and I'll show you where it came from. So this is the vendor right here. Is the John Crestani's super affiliate system or something like that. If you want to view the site, you can do that on your own. I wanted to click on it and show you where it came from. So pretty much every day this thing's getting some hops, and they're all coming from Pinterest. This is my link tracking right here. I'm tracking it through ClickMagick if you guys use that. I'm going to kind of go over this really quickly, so if you get a little lost, I'm sorry if it's a little confusing. I'll try to recap at the end so that things are a little bit more clear. But anyway, you can see that they're all coming from the same pin on Pinterest at 8625A, 6258. It's telling me the source is Android, so I'm gonna open this up and show you the pin. This is a pin right here. It's a video pin, which is these are really good right now on Pinterest. They're getting a lot of traffic. My video pins. This one 1.2 thousand video views. Most people are only watching for 11 seconds, 11 saves on it. Actually, 45 repins. So I do tons of these video pins, and they basically all kind of do the same thing. They lead to an opt-in form, and some of them just go to blog posts, but this one in particular, it links directly to it. So if someone clicks on it right here, then they'll go over to basically the webinar sign up page. See, it's basically direct linking, so you don't need a website to do this. Okay, you can do this totally off the cuff on your own. All right, so how do you make these video pins? That might be your next question. I actually made a video about this not too long ago. Right here, creating how to make vertical video pins for Pinterest and Instagram. It's about 15 minutes long, and it's free also. All of these, let me pause this. All of these resources are 100% free. You can get the Resolve 15, which is the video editing software. You can get Canva for free. You can get Pixabay. That's also a free website. So this can be done 100% for free. You can create this video pin, and you can basically you can get some sales coming in through Clickbank. So basically, let me run through it one more time. I'm not even collecting emails on this one. You guys, you don't need any money to do this. You can do this completely free. All right. So just really quick, I would suggest that you get Click Magic though, because I've done other direct links. Actually, that wasn't a video pin, so never mind. Scratch that. You can do this for free if you want. I do recommend that you have Click Magic though, because then you can see where the clicks are coming in at, and you can see I started doing this way back here, maybe March 24th. I don't know if that's where I first posted this pin. Maybe this can tell me. I don't know. That's not important anyway. So yeah, Pinterest is a great way to drive some traffic to get your sales on Clickbank. I get hops like all the time from different things that I'm doing. Easiest 1, 2, 3, 53 hops. IDPLR, that's fine, but the order form impressions are better, and sales are initial sales are, what we really want to do. So I hope that's clear. If you guys want to make money on Clickbank for free, create vertical pins, and then you can direct link to Clickbank products. However you decide to do that is totally up to you. I've shown you my example, and just one more time, I'll show it to you again. You can do this for pretty much anything, I think. Just do what you want to do. I'm super tired right now, guys. It's like really early for me, and I should probably wait to do this video, but anyway. How to make money online. And you can get this video for free from John Cristani. Let me see. See if I can show you that. Let me go to the marketplace. So you come here, let's see, just click on John Cristani. Maybe that'll bring up his product. Okay, so when you go to you can see I've got 111 hops, and I got a sale after 111 hops, so that's not too bad. Not too bad. But if you go to his affiliate page, he'll have all the resources for you. So you just come down to videos, which are probably way down here, if I remember. Do you pay it? How to promote? That's the webinars. You don't want the webinars. The swipes, you can use the email swipes if you have an email list. That's fine too. But yeah, these are okay, so you just get the videos from here. These are the files, so you can just download directly from his JV page. Or if you want to go onto YouTube, you can use like a YouTube converter and then download them there. And then once you download them, if you want to, you can watch this video that I made about how to create the pin. You can find it on my YouTube channel, or you can just search creating a video pin for Pinterest. And after you create it, you just upload it. Make sure you put the proper tags on your pin. How to make money online. So we're trying to rank for how to make money online. And it's right here on the pin too. And that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, hit me up. I've done this a few times, like with the Funnel X ROI, and this got me some sales in Funnel X ROI. This one's got over 30,000 views, 530 saves. So this one is bringing me up. Oh shit! This one's bringing me a lot of signups. Pretty much every day we're getting subscribers, because that one I'm actually sending to a landing page. So you can do the same thing. It's a good way to get some free traffic, and like I said before, you don't need any money actually. Let me think about it. Yeah, you really don't need any money to do this one. Okay, to do it like that. But you're gonna need some patience, maybe. I don't know if your pin's gonna go viral or not, but I don't know. Anyway, that's it. You guys get the idea. I'll see you in future videos. Peace.